Hey Denise, I know I didn't get back to you on that on the monthly report average section, and so I just wanted to kind of go through that with you real quick. Um, it's yeah, it's something that should be pretty simple. So this is what you sent me, and a couple of the things that we need to kind of talk about that um, would change the average number is this total center programming attendance. And, you know, during the pandemic, we've been doing this brackets. And so the brackets here is the youth engaged with remote SFYC programming. And during the main months of the pandemic, I mean, that was our main number. But now that we're doing hybrid, you want to sort of gauge and you want to record the total number, right? And so right now, I know that you engage 10 youth remotely and 16 youth at the center, but I don't know if some of the 10 youth also came in and are part of that 16, or if the 16 and the 10 are completely different people. And so I don't know if the total number here should be 26 or if it should be 16. So you're gonna have to sort of figure that out, right? And so you know that during this month, how many unduplicated youth you met, and based on that unduplicated number, you're gonna have to figure that out. So for this month, I just decided to go with 26 because I didn't know. But anyway, the average number here, just like it says, is recalculated to reflect contract period starting from September 2020. And so what we're doing here is we're taking this number, the total center programming attendance number, and we're dividing it by the number of months. And so let me go ahead and walk you through that. So let me pull up a calculator. And this is only looking at 2021, right? And so we want to pull up the 2022 one as well. So we're gonna go to the shared drive, to CCP, and let's pull up the 2020. So in the 2021, let me make that a little bit bigger. We have, starting in September, these numbers. And so based on these numbers, what I do then is, starting in September, I'm taking the larger number because, you know, that's a chunk of the number. And so 57, and then plus, and 54, plus 58, plus 52, plus, and so that will be the months in 2020, and then we go back to this month, or this year, sorry, and what was going on? What did I do wrong? I did something wrong. Hold on. Let's go back. All right. Let's clean everything out. All right, 57 plus 54 plus 58 plus 52 plus. All right, so 221. And then we go here. We're going to continue to add. We're going to add 12 plus 27 plus 33 plus 18 plus, and then I think I did 26 for the last one. And so then that will equal 337, right? So that's the total that we're going to take. And then we're going to divide it by the number of months that we have. So in 2020, we got 5 months. January, February, March, April, and May. And then in 2020 we got September, October, November, December, so 4 months. So that's 9 months total. So then we'll take this number and divide it by 9 equals, and we get 37.4. And so we're going to round it out and just say 37.4 instead of 444. And so that's the number that goes in here, 37.4. And that's how you would calculate the average number for each month. moving forward. And then once we reach the end of the contract period, which would be right here, that's when the averaging will end. And then when we start a new contract period, then you restart it. So then it'll be whatever goes into January of 2022, that will go into the average. And then once you get a new number, then you'll add those two together, divide it by 2, and then you'll get the second number, and on so it goes. Hopefully that explained it. If you need a little bit more explanation, let me know. But yeah, all right, thanks.